Hi friends, my name is Chandra Basa from BENNETT University. I am here to tell you about my internship project which I did in IIT Jammu. The research uh, problem was conversational question answering system in which a passage would be given to the machine and the machine has to answer the underlying questions. The first question would be independent, but the rest all questions and their answers would be depending on their previous question and answers. It would be like a conversation between two humans. So machine reading comprehension have been intensively studied in recent years, and neural network based machine models have shown dominant performances. In my research, I have presented a machine reading comprehension toolkit that can be used to provide fast and efficient model for the machine comprehension models, including publishing model, original prototypes, etc. Humans gather information through conversation involving series of interacted question and answers. For machine to assist in information gathering, it has to we have to enable it to answer conversational questions. So we introduce COQA. COQA is a dataset which is published by Stanford NLP. It is a novel dataset for building conversational question answering system. Our database contains 127,000 questions with their answers obtained from 8 conversations about text passages from 7 diverse domains. The questions are conversational and the answers are free from text with their corresponding evidence highlighted in the passage. We analyze COQA in depth and show that conversational question answers have challenging phenomena not present in the existing reading comprehension datasets. Example, conference and logical reasoning, etc. We evaluate strong dialogue and reading comprehension models on COQA. The best model obtained is of F1 score 40.95, which is 23.4 points behind the human performance, indicating that there is ample room for the improvement.
Now I would like to discuss about the research model and its architecture. From the beginning, this is the location of the toolkit my drive. This is for downloading the COQA and development dataset from the GitHub. This is for downloading the Glow file from Stanford NLP website, which is an unsupervised learning algorithm for obtaining vector representation for words. Pip install E is used for downloading all the required libraries and the TensorFlow version for the successful execution of this model. This is the coding part, and in the training part I only trained this model for 2 epochs because of my laptop specifications. In the first epoch, the model gave an F1 score of 30.321, and in the second epoch the F1 score improved to 40%. So if I run this model for 50 or 100 epochs, improvement in the F1 score would be very high. This is the display of the dataset. There would be a story followed by 10 questions. The first question would be a usual question, and the rest questions would be dependent on the previous question and also the answers. So this is the dataset for the second epoch, which gave 40 F1 score. The architecture of the model mainly contains 4 modules: the dataset reader, model construction, and model training. The data contains vocabulary building and word index mapping. Dataset reader contains code for dataset reading and evaluating. Model contains built-in models such as BIDF, DRQA, and FusionNet, which can be used to compare the present models.
So at last I would thank my supervisor Dr. Yamuna Prasad, assistant professor Department of Computer Science, IIT Jammu, for giving me the opportunity to do an internship within his organization under his guidance. I am extremely grateful for my department, my dean, and my friends who helped me in successful completion of this internship. Thank you.